Hello everyone, welcome back to Bharti Vaishnavi's classes. Myself Garima from class 6th B. Now Bharti ma'am has given one more contest in which we have to do cooking with fire and without fire. I chose cooking with fire and I will make French fries. They are raw and peeled potatoes. Now we have to cut them like this. Now we have to do the pieces like this. Now we have to do the pieces of rest of the potatoes. Now this is take a pan and switch on the gas. Now put refined in it. Then wait for time to take it hot. Now when your oil get hot, put your potatoes that have cut in pieces in it.
और अब तक डाल के हॉट लगे
One by one. Do deep fry. Now let them get light golden color. Now they are getting red, light golden color. Now make the gas flame slow and put all the fries in a plate. Now these fries are ready. If you want, you can put salt and spring it. Thank you.